Hello and welcome to this video where I talk about my GoPro Hero 7 vlog setup, the ultimate GoPro Hero 7 vlog setup. So I'm currently recording this on a vlog pocket on an iPhone. And you can see here I've got a GoPro Hero 7 and I've got it in first of all I've got it on a shorty grip, which is really useful. It's a good short grip. It can extend and it can act as a tripod as well. I've also got GoPro's 3.5mm audio adapter here, and I've got it in this Ulanzi cage, which allows you to fit the audio adapter in and fit a microphone on top. And the microphone I've got on top is the Wireless Go by Rode. So that is by far the best microphone I've used for vlogging completely. It's an incredibly good microphone just for vlogging.